Going back to the list of recommended resources, I'm next going to show you the Government Periodicals Index. This is a commercial database produced by LexisNexis that indexes over 300 periodicals issued by government agencies. Most of these titles are not indexed in any other source. To do a keyword search, I'm going to start by selecting Search All Fields. I'm going to expand the range of years searched to include all years available in the index. Then I'm going to search for arson. This search brings up 17 articles. The text that's underlined in each entry is the article title. Following that is the date the article was published, the names of the authors, the title of the periodical in which the article appeared, the volume, issue, and page numbers associated with the article, and the name of the agency that publishes that periodical. If we click on the first entry in our results list, that brings up a more detailed record about this article. If you wished to find a physical copy of this article in the library, you would need to go to the online catalog and search for FBI Law Enforcement Bulletin as a periodical title. The detailed holdings listed in the catalog would tell you that Volume 74 of this periodical is shelved in the bound serial stacks on the third floor of the library, and it would give you the Library of Congress call number you would need in order to find it. Fortunately, this index, like the others we've seen, provides many links to full text. If you look at the end of the article title field, you see a link that says PDF version. Clicking that brings up the full text of the article. Going back to the detailed record, notice that there's also a link in the periodical title field that says Home Page. Older entries in this database may only provide that link and not the direct link to the article. If so, you may need to explore the home page for the periodical to find the volume and issue that you need. Following the link to the home page for the FBI Law Enforcement Bulletin, you can see that the current issue can be clicked directly, and older issues are listed in the Past Issues section. The article we need was published in April of 2005, so we select the 2005 issues from the list. From there, we have the option to view the April 2005 issue in HTML or as a PDF file. Either one should contain the full text of the article we need. Going back to our search results, notice the link in the upper right-hand corner of the screen that says Edit Search. That's the easiest way to begin a new search in this index. Returning to our list of recommended resources, the last thing I'm going to show you is the LexisNexis Statistical Index. This database indexes statistical publications from the federal government, from several state governments, and also includes some non-governmental sources such as Gallup polls. You have the option to find a full-text table of statistics or to find a detailed description of a specific publication and all of its contents. I'll start by selecting Find a Table. I'll enter arson in the keyword box and then change the time period to the last 5 years. This search brings up 21 tables. The titles of the tables are displayed along with a link that says Go to Table. Clicking the link in the first entry brings up a table from a publication called Hate Crime Statistics 2006 that was published by the FBI in 2007. The table tells us that there were 41 incidents of arson in 2006 that were identified as hate crimes. If we'd like to see the detailed description of the publication which included this table, we can click the link at the end of the report title field that says Full Document. Here we see more information about this publication, including the SUDOC number. Scrolling to the bottom of the description, we see links to additional full-text tables from this publication. As with the previous index, the easiest way to begin a new search here is to click Edit Search in the upper right-hand corner of the screen.